back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this super easy everyday makeup tutorial. A lot of my friends during this quarantine are trying to learn how to do makeup, so I thought why not sit down and show you guys how I do my everyday. You guys can try and do this look. I think it's super simple but effective. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So to start off, you're gonna need a primer. So I'm just taking the e.l.f. one here. She's really cheap, but she works. You need to set your skin up for the beat that you're about to do. For foundation, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty one. But as a beginner, I do not think that you need to be splurging on anything. I would definitely recommend getting a cheaper alternative. For me, I would say the Maybelline one. It has an amazing color range and it pretty much is the same thing but cheaper. So I would definitely recommend getting that one. So next is Concealing Contour. Both of these concealers are very cheap. I got the Juvia's one for $8 during an online sale, and the e.l.f. one, I don't remember the price, but I know that she's cheap because it's e.l.f. So pretty much with this, I am like shaping my face and I'm drying it down so it's not too liquidy, because you want it to be pretty thick and full coverage. So this part is very important, y'all. You need to be very soft with your beauty blender. The harder that you go, the more concealer that you're picking up. So that's going to be like the less product on your face. So I'm going very soft, very, very gentle, very nice. Because look how snatched it looks. Ready? Right now. Boom! Boom! Any leftover concealer that you have on your sponge, just clean up the rest of your face. I'm fixing up my contour because she was too dark. Next step is also very important. Choosing your setting powder, you need to choose wisely, sweetie. You can't just take any run-of-the-mill setting powder, and if you can make it work, go off. But for me, it just doesn't work like that. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty one. I make sure that my creases are gone before I set, and then I just push that little hole in, like I just push it in. I also chose a powder that was pretty much my skin color because we're going for a natural look, so that's why I did that. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I also used to use the Maybelline powder just in a darker shade to bronze my face. Y'all could do that too if you don't want to spend money. I recently just bought all this Fenty stuff, so I wanted to try it out in a video. But again, you don't have to spend all this money. And for blush, I'm using Juvia's Place. To all the girls that are too scared to try blush, please stop being scared. Look how pretty it is. Like, it's just so pretty, especially on black girls, y'all. Like, it just looks so good on our skin. Just try it one time and you'll fall in love. So for highlighters, I would really just say find one that suits you. Definitely find one that suits your skin color. You don't want it to ever be too icy, and you definitely don't want it to ever be too dark. I've seen people look like they have like a huge bruise because their highlighters are too dark. So just choose wisely and choose whatever makes you happy. So if you know me, you know that I love big tarantula broom like lashes on my eyes, but just because of this is beginner friendly, I decided to just choose some smaller ones just to get y'all started. Even if you don't want to wear strips, at least try a mascara. I just think that eyelashes really make a look. It just puts everything all together, so just try something. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below some makeup looks that you guys want me to try. Let me know if you guys like sit down get ready with me's or these type of short edited videos. I like to do both of them, but definitely let me know what you guys like and want to see from me. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!